North Star Alarm.
Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you guys how to use the Qolsys fob. So you have an unlock button at the top, lock button at the bottom. Unlock button does the disarm, lock button does the arm. So to start, you see we have a door open. If we try to arm it, it doesn't work.
Key fob failed to arm.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the doors are closed. Once all the doors are closed, we can hold down the lock button once until the red light turns on.
Key fob arm stay.
We'll do arm stay. If we hold down the lock button,
Key fob disarm.
does the disarm. To do arm stay, you hold it down once.
Key fob arm stay.
To do arm away, you hold it down again till the light turns on.
Key fob arm away.
To do arm away, then we just hold down the unlock button.
Key fob disarm.
But that's how you use the Qolsys fob.